Alright. This floor going. Just try to straighten this copper pipe out as much as I can. Hopefully we can get it down through the holes without it, looks like I can actually disconnect it. Get up underneath there and look a little better. Well, as you can see, I got all the gas lines that fed the stove, refrigerator, and the water heater. That's all gone. All the water lines are through. I am sitting underneath where the water tank was. I actually went ahead and took those brackets off that held the water tank, so it'd make it easier for me to crawl up underneath here. I've also started the gas line that's for the outside hookup. I started unscrewing just the gas line from the wood so I wouldn't have to worry about damaging it. And I got one more and a few more screws to get off the deck, and the wood is pretty ready to be coming up. Here's that gas line for the outside gas. We are going to just leave there. I unloosened it all the way down. That's pretty much it, guys. Okay, got it all out. Now what I'm going to do is pretty much zip tie all the wiring up out of the way. Alright, now I got all the wiring up, kind of zip tied up a little bit. Nice. All the wiring's up, out of the way. Looks good. Now we're going to get those edges up and release the outside panels from underneath, and we'll be ready for some good demo. All the wood around the edges is up. And our lazy helpers.
Hey, I helped you.
I know, you've been helping.
Thank you.
The other one's lazy. See, she's laying down asleep back behind there.
I'm not asleep.
Yeah. Here is Aiden, our second oldest, in some very rare footage, going around underneath, removing the screws and releasing the side panels.